Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video of Smart Grid. So in this video we are going to discuss about, in the previous video we have discussed about the Smart Grid drivers and functions. So in today's video we are going to discuss about few of the challenges along with the benefits of Smart Grid. So we have already discussed the major challenge of the existing Smart Grid is that its policy and regulation, because being a conventional grid and upgrading it to the smart grid, there are a lot of policy regulations which needs to be updated, and also we have an electrical infrastructure wherein which many of the equipments are aged. So in order to repair it, or in order to give a proper protection and maintenance to those, we need a lot of financial infrastructure also. And also there is a huge lack of communication platform for the existing smart grid to be implemented in the conventional smart grid. So in order to incorporate it, we need to completely digitize the entire conventional smart grid, which needs high capital investment and also operating cost. And a proper awareness about the operation of these smart grid needs to be given to the persons who are going to use it. So a proper education regarding the smart grids need to be given from the utility point of view to the operating personnel as well as the consumers. And also in order to efficiently use the smart grid, we need smart consumers, which is at present lacking. Now we will see about the benefits of smart grid. The first and foremost thing is that smart grid is self-healing. Self-healing means restoring from a fault condition by itself. A smart grid automatically detects and responds to routine problems and quickly recovers if they occur, minimizing downtime and financial losses. So it is capable of self-healing itself. And also it resists attack, that is, it has high security from the ground level itself. And also it motivates and includes the consumer as a part of the grid. In the previous conventional grids, there is a lack of consumer participation into the grid activities, but using smart grid, it gives all consumers industrial, commercial as well as residential visibility into real-time pricing and affords them the opportunity to choose the volume of consumption and price that best suits their needs. And also this smart grid reduces the annual maintenance cost, so AT&C losses are being reduced. And also since it incorporates most of renewable power generation, the CO2 emission is also being reduced by the use of smart grid. And also it enables energy audit from the consumer side itself, because they have good visibility about the power being consumed by them then and there, not just at the end of the month, but at any point of time they can view their power consumptions. And also it reduces cost billing, because when the consumer are very much aware about their power being consumed, they can take preventive measures in reducing their electricity bills. And also smart grid promotes remote load control, and also it during the peak requirement to non-peak time, during the peak demand time, the smart grid can shift it to non-peak time very easily. So peak saving is very much possible with the help of smart grid. And also integration of renewable energy, which is the biggest plus for a smart grid, because in the existing system, since each renewable energy has a different form of power being generated, and also the values are very much deviating in order to synchronize. But using smart grid, this integration is very much easy, and hence many renewable power generators are being established nowadays. And also it provides a clean energy development and provides high quality power. And smart grid optimizes the assets and its operating efficiency also. That is why we can still upgrade the existing aged assets and still use for the current purposes also. And also smart grid ensures safety, reliable and efficient operation. It provides national security, and it is eco-friendly and improves the economic growth of the country. And since it incorporates these much level of benefits, smart grid is the need of the hour, in the current scenario. So I hope this benefit is quite essential